Hello and welcome back to my green corner. It was said that dreamcatcher protects us from nightmares. So why not to make one today? Enjoy the process and keep dreaming. For making this dreamcatcher, you will need white feathers, metal rings, white pearls, and white yarn. Now all you have to do is wrap this yarn around the ring so that it will cover each and every part of the ring. Now it's time to make an inner structure. It is basically a wave-like structure, so I'm going to form a pentagon or hexagon shape and following the same procedure all over the wave. Now follow the same structure, taking the midpoint of all the strings. I am adding some pearls in the center to make it look more attractive. And finally our first string is ready, so we will follow the same procedure and make other ones. Done with all the rings, now it's time to tie them together. It's time for the final touch. Here is the final look. It's my first time trying to make a dream catcher, and I will assure you one thing, that the process is so therapeutic. I just love it. I added some fairy lights to make it look more dramatic. And hey, if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe and keep watching my green corner.